बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है मेरे पास। एक्सरसाइज 3.5 है, KPK 9th मैथमेटिक्स, पेज 91 है। और हमने सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट लेट मी राइट द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन। एक्सप्रेस each of the following has a single logarithm. It means here we will have to solve the questions through logarithmic properties by use of logarithmic properties. So first let me write the logarithmic properties. Number first, if we have sum of two logarithmic values like log a of m plus log a of n, that is m, that is n, whether these amount are minor or major, so we will have to take single log with base a of m multiple n. This will be the first rule of logarithmic property. Secondly, if we have log with base a of m divided by n, so we will have to write like log with base a of m with the symbol of subtraction log with base a of n. Clear? That is a single that is the second one rule. If we have sum, then we will have to take its amount in product with same sign. If we have division of two elements, whether they are amount these amounts are minor or major, maximum minimum, so we will have to write in this form. You can see from the screen of camera. Thirdly, if we have log with base a of m whole raised to power n, so n times here n will be here n times log with base a of m. And the fourth one is if we have log with base a of m, then product log with this same value here will be the base of n, so we will get log with base m of with a of n. M and n will cancel, so log with base a of n we will get at the end. These proofs are given at the start of this chapter. I have put in a video, previous video, so let me use these values, these properties while finding the questions. So the first one question is here. These are the properties. Number one, 3 times log with base 10 होता है हमारे पास commonly. Here we use the base of log, common logarithm, use 10, but we here not write it 4 times log with base 3. So by definition we can write solution. So by definition we can first write it once again. Here if we have n times log with base a of m, though then we can write, change its power and write it in exponential form. Log with base a remains same, m raised to power n. So we can write here, that is the symbol of equation. Here equation is not included. So if we will have to use two equation included, so here we will have to write the symbol of implies, so here we can't use. So first of all, 2 raised to power 3 like m raised to power n by using the third rule, and log with base a of, या जो भी हमें इक्वेशन का log का जो बेस गिवन होगा, whether not then will be 10. Negative symbol 4 raised to power log, here 3 raised to power 4 will be the power of a given amount, and we write log. So by second rule, if we have difference m minus n, m by n, so we can write m by n, m by n, log with base m by n, so we can write log with base m minus log with base a of n, so we can write the division of two amounts n to its single log subtraction. So if we have the right side, so we can change into reverse m and n, that is m, that is m, that is n. So 2 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 4 with single log. By definition we can write log 2 multiple 2, we can say 2 multiple 2, which is 8, and 3 raised to power roughly 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 3 multiple 3 multiple 3 multiple 3. So 3 3 are 9, 27, and 27 3 are 81, which is our required answer. Use the logarithmic properties to change into single log, not solve for logarithmic table or logarithmic values to put the solution. Here the second question is second part of the 2 log 3 plus 4 log 2 minus 3. So if we have, so we can write here roughly, if we can write log with base a of m log with base a of n, so we can write log with base a of m multiple n. So here will be, so before going to use this first rule, we will apply the third rule. If we have n times log with base a of m, so here change into its power m raised to power n log with same base, whether here is a, that will be here a. So first rule we will have to use exponential, then secondly its addition. So solution, first 2 times log with base 3 plus 4 times log with base 2 minus 3, without ये log less value है 3. So here 3 raised to power 2 log with or secondly 2 raised to power 4 with log, and 3 will remain same. So by definition of this amount we can write log with base 3 raised to power 2 multiply 2 raised to power 4 minus 3 remains same. That is the separate part without a log. So we cannot include all these the given 3 negative 3 in logarithmic operation because it has no log. So we can't here apply the logarithmic property. So log 3 raised to power 2 means 9, 2 raised to power 4 means 16, 2 multiple 2 multiple 2, 2 4s are 8 nahi, 3 2s are 6, no, it is not a way. So first of all we will have to express 2 raised to power 4 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. We can express all these values like same due to exponential laws. So we can write minus 3 and log 9 multiple 17 is we can say here 144. 144, if you multiply 16 multiple 9 we get 4 9s 54, or 9 1s and 5 tick. So we get negative 3, 9 6 are, or 9 1s are 3 and 4 tick. Okay, so we can stop it this solution because first of all we will have to fulfill the properties of log to make it, to change it to write in single logarithm. So this is the answer. Next, its third part, log with base a of m minus 1. So here we can use the definition of log. In common logarithm, here we have log with base 10. If we once again write it here 10, so then it will be equal to 1. This is the logarithmic form. If we write in exponential form, e raised to power x is equal to y. So these exponential laws are fulfilled. So we can write here and double if and only if we can write here. Clear? Okay. So we can write log with base a of 5 here to represent 1. Log with base, apply here, log with base 10 of 10. So we can make it it's single. Here there is symbol of subtraction. If we have symbol of subtraction means log with base a of m multiple subtraction, symbol of subtraction, log with base a of n. So we can write m by n with single log ar. If we have a, if we have a, if we have a, then we can show as a single log with base here is 10. If nothing is here, it means that a common logarithmic base is 10. So we can write, so single logarithm 10, 5 divided by 10, we can write log with base 10. 5 1s are 5 2s are 1 over 2. This is our answer. Or you can write log with base 10, or if you didn't want to write, so You are not. So अगर आप नहीं लिखना चाहते तो it means it is not a restrictions to write must here 10. So 0.5 1 over 2 we can write 0.5 or here you can write 10 or not if you not write it. So this is our answer. Next question. If we have third question है, fourth question है, if we have 1 over 2 times log of x minus 2 log of x हो गया 2 log of 2y plus 3 log of z. So here we can write by use of definition power rule. So we can write solution 1 over 2 times log of x, we can 2 log 2 of y 3 log z. So by definition we can write m raised to power n raised to power m हो जाएगा x raised to power 1 over 2 log और minus log 2y whole raised to power m which is 2 or z whole raised to power 3 log. So we can write to make it single, if here is negative sign, so we can write log m by n 1 over 2 divided by 2y whole raised to power 2 with single log, and this log with the base 10 3 remains same. So if this is single log and this is also single log, if there is found positive, so we can write in its product x raised to power 1 over 2 may write under root divided by 2 raised to power 2, it means 2 raised to power 2 4, y raised to power 2 means y2, and product of z raised to power 3, z raised to power 3. So or we can also write log z raised to power 3x divided by 4y square. This is our answer, or you can say log x divided by 4y square z